Hello, everyone. My name is Mo Zulfikar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com or you can find the link to the website in the description below. There's more to bullish moves in energy market than crude oil. In February, natural gas futures hit $100 per barrel of oil equivalent for the first time in 2 years. The big increase comes amid cold weather and depleted inventory. With natural gas at 2 year highs, this means that burning oil for industrial use is more economical. As a result, high natural gas prices is a bullish tailwind for oil prices too. And on top of that, it doesn't hurt that President Trump is all in on energy industry and ramping up oil and gas sector too. And Trump's pro-oil agenda should help the domestic energy industry over the long run as well. These favorable conditions are an encouraging trend for energy plays like PermRock Royalty Trust. They're traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol PRT. John, what can you tell us about this royalty trust?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. PermRock Royalty Trust owns a perpetual interest in oil and natural gas producing properties located in the oil-rich Permian Basin in Texas. It receives an 80% net profit interest from the sale of production from certain properties owned by Boaz Energy, rather than a specific portion of production. The underlying properties consist of 4 operating areas in the Permian Basin, totaling approximately 31,254 gross acres. Now, there are some big changes coming to PermRock, not all of which is good. Past January, Boaz Energy, the owner and operator of the oil and gas properties underlying the trust, announced that it entered into an agreement to sell its interests to T2S Permian Acquisition. The transaction is expected to close in March. PermRock expects the operations under T2S will benefit from increased investment and strategic operational framework, which should enhance overall efficiency and hopefully longer-term financial returns.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for our free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. And John, this company recently declared a monthly payout of 4 cents per unit.
Yeah, because the company declares a monthly dividend, it announces its financial results on a monthly basis too. In January, it reported oil cash receipts of $1.52 million. It's a decrease of $230,000 from the prior month. Now, during the previous month, the trust sold 22,491 barrels of oil compared to 24,938 in the prior month. The average price per barrel was $67.80, down from $7.24 per barrel in December of 2024. Natural gas receipts totaled around $0.07 million, and that was unchanged from the prior month. During the month, natural gas averaged, I think it's $2.53 per thousand cubic feet, as compared to $2.37 per thousand cubic feet in the prior month. Now, all this resulted in a cash distribution of $489,995.26, or for shareholders, 0.040276 per unit. Now, this works out to 48 cents on an annual basis for a forward yield of 12.34%.
PRT stock has been rallying higher since news of the acquisition.
Yeah, now PRT stock did not exactly perform well in 2024, but that sentiment turned around in 2025. The big jump in PRT units can be mostly attributed to news of Boaz Energy's pending sale to T2S Permian Acquisition in January. Now, since then, PRT stock is trading at its highest level in over a year. As of this recording, PRT stock is up 11% over the last month, 13% over the last 3 months, 21% year to date, and 10.7% on an annual basis.
John, thank you so much for your analysis. PermRock Realty Trust is an oil and gas exploration and production company with a big footprint in oil-rich Permian Basin. And thanks to historically strong demand for oil and gas, PermRock has been able to provide shareholders with ultra-high yield monthly dividend. Insiders have a big stake in PermRock Realty as well, with 40.2% of all outstanding shares. Insiders have a big stake in PermRock Realty as well, with 40.2% of all outstanding shares. We'd like to think that having this much skin in the game would motivate management to see the trust perform well. When we look at the institutional ownership, it's not that robust, with just 1.7% held by institutions, but the biggest holder includes some of the Wall Street's well-recognized names, including BlackRock, Royal Bank of Canada, and Morgan Stanley. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.